Okay, after you've entered the data, the next thing you want to do is insert a row above row 1. So we're going to select row 1, right-click, and choose Insert. And in cell A1, we'll type test scores. Highlight A1 through C1. Click Merge and Center. And to bold the title. Okay. I also want to make my sheet here look like the example on the handout. So I'm going to highlight A2 through A5 and fill those a color. I'll choose yellow since that's what it is on the example. B2 and C2 and fill it yellow. Bold, center. Looks like Danny, Lisa, and Adam have been right aligned. I'm going to highlight A1 through C5. Go up here to my Borders button and choose All Borders. All right, you have formatted your information. I believe Danny, Lisa, and Adam, does it look like they're bolded? You can bold those as well. All right, now you're done.